Hi, I'm Matt Strollo, and I'm here to talk to you about the all-new Jayco 26BH and why it's the #1 selling RV in the entire world. Let's get right into it. First off, one of the main features on the Jayco 26BH, which is unlike any other trailer in the entire country, is that it actually comes with an upgraded chassis. What I mean by that is it actually has an integrated A-frame. No other brand does that. This A-frame travels directly through the main frame of the chassis and all the way to the back bumper. What's unique about that is going to be the best towable unit in the entire country. On top of that, you're going to get an upgraded electric tongue jack as opposed to the manual tongue jack that my brothers used to make me crank every time we got set up at the campground. This Jayco comes with an upgraded electric tongue jack and an LED light built right in. That's awesome. That's Jayco. The other nice feature with the Jayco 26BH is that you get a 2-year exclusive warranty. That is absolutely unheard of. It's just amazing. What that actually means, you get 2 full camping seasons of coverage. So let's say, it's fall time and you're gonna put the trailer away until next season. Most brands, when you tow that out of storage, you have no warranty left. Jayco, you actually have a full camping season of coverage. That's huge money. That's big. That's Jayco. The reason why they can do that, they've been doing this for over 50 years. It's a family-owned company. Most brands, you just don't know when they're bought, when they're sold, when they're traded, when they went bankrupt. With the turbulent times, you just don't know who's gonna own the company that you thought that you got a great camper. Jayco, it's one company, one family. 2-year warranty. Unheard of. #1 selling travel trailer in the entire country. Here it's shown in the aluminum. For $1,000 extra you can get fiberglass and frameless windows. That's awesome. The biggest safety feature is the storage compartments here. This actually comes with a Jayco exclusive keyed alike system. At first glance it looks like every other compartment door in the industry, but it's nothing like it. The reason why I'm telling you that is because most brands have a 751 key and anyone at any moment can get into your RV. That's a scary, scary thought. Not with a Jayco. I'm gonna just open this up. You just have amazing, amazing storage. LED lit storage compartments. You see tons of plywood. That's the unique thing with Jayco. They use massive amounts of plywood as opposed to the inexpensive chipboard, the glued together wood dust, if you will. Jayco's not going to do that. They've been doing it for 50 years. That's why they can give you a 2-year warranty, and they're not scared to do it. I got 4 older brothers. Sometimes if they get a little loud, I can shove them right in there, and it's not going to be a problem. The storage compartment door is huge. The other nice thing, too, with this Jayco 26BH is it actually has upgraded BAL stabilizer jacks. Comes with 4. It's standard. Most brands, it's an option. That costs big money. Each jack costs about $100. That's $400 standard with the Jayco 26BH. If you pan down, you're going to notice this actually comes with an upgraded electric awning. Black, so it actually blends into the nice framework of the unit. The other nice thing too, it comes with an LED lit awning. The entry door, if you look down the side of the whole unit, actually has a huge window in the entry door. This is a 30-inch entry door. Most brands are only a 24-inch entry door, so it's super hard to bring stuff, gear in and out of the unit. You're carrying some of your kids, and it's just hard to get in and out of the unit. With the Jayco, you have a 30-inch entry door. It's much easier to get in and out of the unit. You'll notice you have a 2-tier entry step with an amber light. Most brands in this price point are going to give you a 1-tier entry step. Oh, I mean, that's kind of hard to do. You have to almost be an Olympic athlete to get into the unit. Here you have a 2-tier step, super easy transition to get in and out of the unit. And then if you had a couple too many milks at night, you got an amber light. My brother likes to drink lots of milks. So, if you had one too many, you got that amber light, easy transition. You're never gonna trip and fall. One less trip to the emergency room. If you look at the whole side of the unit, you actually have so many windows. It costs big, big, big money. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows on this brand new Jayco. Most brands, you're lucky to see 2 or 3 windows. You have 5 windows. That's just one side of the unit. That's big money. That's Jayco. You have an upgraded refrigerator. You can put your beers, or if you get a little crazy, maybe some milks. My brother loves his milk. You have tons of storage in here. This is all plywood. Even in non-walking areas, you have upgraded plywood. If you pan over to the 6-gallon hot water heater, you might say, well, that's nothing special. Actually, it is. How long do you want to take a shower for? 30 minutes, 45 minutes, however long you want it. Jayco's going to let you do it. With the 18-gallon quick recovery, gas and electric, you choose. Gas and electric upgraded Atwood hot water heater, standard. Most brands, it could cost you $350 extra for a gas and electric 18-gallon quick recovery hot water heater. That's amazing. If you come around to the back, I'm starting to sweat a lot here because the main feature of this unit is the roof. I can't believe we didn't even talk about it yet. The roof is called the Jayco exclusive Magnum Truss roof system. That's actually rated for 4,500 pounds. It's 50% stronger than any other brand in the industry. One of the main assets to this trailer and one of the main reasons why it's the #1 selling travel trailer in the country, 11 years running. It's also plywood walkable roof decking. Most brands are going to be particle board. It has a nice curve to it. So you have easy water runoff. When customers want to bring in their trailer and maybe trade it in, the first question I say is, how many leaks does it have? Jayco's, you usually don't have to worry about that because they're built right the first time. You don't have to replace the roof. The floor on this, plywood walkable roof decking and plywood 5/8 tongue groove flooring. It's just amazing. If you pan around on over to the other side over here, $50,000, $60,000, $100,000 motorhomes usually have some of the features that come in an elite package. This unit has the elite package. It has probably about 12 features. We're going to get into that. One of them is inches away from me right here. You can actually clean out your holding tank and stand right here and not get dirty doing it. When you walk in, after you store it for 6 months, it's not going to smell like a sewer tank inside the trailer. I mean, if that's not going to upgrade your resale value, I don't know what is. But this actually comes standard with the black sewer tank flush. This right here comes standard on this unit at that price. That almost doesn't happen. You walk in the unit, it smells like flowers. Black sewer tank flush standard. On the off-door side, you actually have 3 huge windows, but the nice thing about the windows is they're actually framed with black metal, and you actually have a nice tint to them. It makes it cooler on the inside. It's better for privacy. It's not gonna deteriorate the cushions inside because the sun's not gonna be beating in, just destroying the inside of the camper. That's what you get with a Jayco. Tinted, upgraded safety glass windows, standard on this brand new Jayco. Most brands just aren't gonna come with it. The Jayco will. In the all-new Jayco 26BH, as I'm walking through the 30-inch entry door as opposed to the 24-inch you'll notice in most brands, and grabbing onto this massive lend-a-hand railing that it actually comes standard with, and as I'm easily walking up the 2-tier entry step as opposed to a 1-tier step, I don't know if I mentioned those before, but just to touch on them one other time, I just want to talk about this massive bedroom. The bedroom is just one of the most amazing bedrooms I've seen dawned on any travel trailer in the entire industry. And the reason why, I think it starts with the bed itself. The Jayco, the brand new Jayco actually comes standard with the Simmons upgraded mattress. This mattress, I'm sorry, but I mean, I just can't, this is just amazing. I don't know, I mean, be careful bringing the kids to the dealership because they're gonna be jumping all over the place. I mean, this is like a bounce house. I mean, this is, most brands, the reason why I'm talking about this is that most brands won't come with a brand name such as Simmons mattress. It's an inner spring mattress, but just look how thick that mattress is. I mean, my mattress at home is just not even that thick. I mean, I can't believe that. I mean, that's just amazing. And then look underneath the bed. I mean, it's just endless. You actually have plywood. Plywood, even in non-walking areas. Most brands put cheap chipboard. You have to lift up the bed, the mattress, just to notice some of those things. You know, they all look pretty, but the difference matters is when you do things, open up the bed with just the ease of just one lift of the bed. It lifts up by itself by these two gas struts, all plywood. This is framed completely out. It's just one of the best built travel trailers in the industry. And for that sale price, I just don't know how they do it. It's amazing. There's tons of nickel plating in this unit. You would thought we walked into the Bellagio. I mean, the nickel plating cabinets, the hardware on the cabinets, this is all hardwood, folks. This is not any press board. Screwed and glued cabinets. This is all upgraded cabinetry, all Amish built. 80% of Jayco's employees are either Amish or Mennonite. Most brands, you know, they're just going to try and get anybody they can get off the street. Not Jayco. 80% of their employees are Amish or Mennonite. They're craftsmen. They're craftsmen of the cabinets. The cabinets, the drawers. If you open up the drawer, upgraded, full frame metal ball bearing storage doors. This is all wood instead of the chipboard. They'll even use plastic with some brands. This is just super, super high end. And again, the nickel plated hardware is amazing, and it even comes with stainless steel appliances. This is just outrageous. Upgraded, high-end stainless steel microwave. This is amazing. Most brands might not even put a microwave in it. If you pan down to the oven, you have a 16-inch upgraded stainless steel microwave. I mean, I don't even think I have this in my house. This is just amazing. I mean, that's real stainless steel. They're using it in this travel trailer at this price point. Again, that's just one of the reasons why it's the #1 selling travel trailer in the entire world. Nor cold refrigerator. This is just, oh my word, this is just amazing. It's actually an 8 cubic foot refrigerator. You might say, Matt, what's an 8 cubic foot? So what? Most brands in this price point, it's a 6 cubic foot refrigerator. And the refrigerator, the appliance is made somewhere in China, Switzerland, wherever. It's not made in America. It's not made at the Jayco factory. The Nor Cold refrigerator, it's 8 cubic feet as opposed to 6. You're going to be able to put endless amounts of food in here because this unit sleeps like 10 people, so it's amazing. Made in America. We're going to win, win, win. Somebody says that. I don't know who, but Nor Cold refrigerator made in America on your brand new Jayco best-selling travel trailer, 10 years running. I would do it right now if I could, but this table can actually go outside. This table, that's a first. Most brands, they have the cheap pedestal. If you have someone who's bigger, like, I don't know, my brothers joke with me, I'm a little heavy, but if I need more space on one side of the dinette, I can just move it around for my belly and I can get in. Look at this. I got 2 feet of space here. The other brands, you can't do that on. They have cheap pedestals. They're super hard to get in and out of. The other big thing too, I don't know about you guys, but I've gone camping and every so often you pick a campground, the picnic table outside's a little beat up. Don't worry about it. If you have this Jayco, this table, you can pick it up real easily and bring it right outside. Use it for your own picnic table, opens up more floor space. Who needs a slide? So that's awesome. I just want to point that out because it's such a big deal. The cushions are super comfortable. I don't even want to stand up. But the other thing too, underneath the dinette, storage. I don't know if I mentioned it before. Jayco, this is the one thing that actually almost brings a tear to my eye because Jayco actually cares enough about you to actually put a storage tray underneath the dinette. Not only do they have a storage tray underneath the dinette, which you can take outside with you, they put the door there. They actually put a door here so you can get to your items super easily. Most brands, what you actually have to do, which with a Jayco, it's an option to do this, but most brands, you have to take the cushion out, take all these cushions, you got to lift up the wood, you got to fight with it, this, that, and the other thing, but I don't know if I mentioned, but you got plywood again, super, super thick plywood, upgraded. Jayco does it all the time, all over the place. Most brands just don't. But you have storage everywhere. It's super easy to get to your equipment. The other nice thing too, you have reversible cushions, with the Jayco. It's handmade, custom built right at the factory. It says Jayco right on it. It's all Amish built. Going back to the bunks, here this is just outrageous. You have a teddy bear upgraded cushion system. This is just amazing. It just feels so great. I don't know, I just want to stay right here. But the nice thing about this unit, you have 2 huge bunks. You can actually put 2 sets of adults on here. They're rated for 300 pounds. Most brands in this price point are rated for 150. Right here, plywood. That's what we're talking about. It's a Jayco, plywood instead of particle board. That's what you're getting. The other nice thing too, in the bathroom, talk about the toilet. I know we talked about the black sewer tank flush, but here you actually have, listen to this. What's that? Is that dinner time? No, that's a porcelain toilet. I can't believe it. Comes with a porcelain toilet, folks. Most brands in this price point, it won't be a foot flush. There it is, it's on the other side, foot flush toilet. It's porcelain, it's easier to clean, it's more residential, it feels better, and it's gonna last a lot longer. Most of the other brands, they're gonna come with a cheap plastic one, especially in this price point. The reason why I'm going over this with you, because I know what other brands offer. They just don't offer these things. That's why I'm just astounded by all the features that this unit comes with. Thank you very much for tuning in. Again, I'm Matt Strollo with RV1 Superstores. Just to recap, we're looking at the #1 selling travel trailer in the entire world. If you're looking for an absolute phenomenal value, we're talking about a 2-year warranty, double the warranty of most manufacturers out there. Plywood walkable roof decking, plywood walkable floors. It's the most amazing value in the entire industry. Again, 11 years running, the #1 selling travel trailer in the entire world, Jayco. Thank you very much. Have a great day.